so from there, she gave me the opportunity to play in my authentic, real, most natural, all of Sierra fullness self that I felt like the world was not letting me do. And even I saw as adults that they were afraid to do, so it made me confused as a child. So, and here I am. So today I'm going to be talking about from what I titled, From Only to MastHERpiece. And so we put that in the presentation. If you hit present, it'll this one, it'll open it up. So, so from only to MastHERpiece is what I'm going to be talking about. And so before I do that, I want to offer us an invitation. I want to invite us to be open, present, and willing, and not just listen, but truly receive the transformation you seek that is already within. This is not about adding more to yourself or uncovering the masterpiece that has been waiting beneath the layers of doubt, fear, and past conditioning. This is about being present in the moment, finding your color, and we continue to play and create together. And so I'm going to be doing this through the invitation which I just did, and then I'm going to read a reference of synopsis from my 6 books that I used to pull from, that I didn't realize was like my color palettes. Like from each book I can tell you really what was going on in my life at that time. And then I'm going to share from selected scriptures from each book. And then from that, I'll talk to you about my own concept. Okay, so Finding Sierra, A Journey to a Better Me. Finding Sierra is a deeply personal, reflective journey on self-discovery, challenging the mental and societal paradigms that shape our perception. I explore the ways we are conditioned to see life through ridges, dullness, good, joys, bads, happy, and sad, and invite readers to strip away their limited beliefs, uncovering their true essence. This book is about embracing our imperfections, silencing the inner critic, and embodying and boldly stepping into self-authenticity. I encourage readers to go inward and recognize their worth beyond external narratives and find strength in everything they are and all that they aren't. A rooted journey home, the past runs from the present. A rooted journey home is a powerful reflection of the importance of history, personal, ancestral, and global. I explore how the unsure truths impact identity, keeping individuals disconnected from their roots and unaware of their power. I challenge the glorification of struggles and oppression and urging readers to unlearn narratives that keep them bound to their pain. This book is both personal memoir and a call to action to encourage readers to embrace their fullness of their story, reclaim their heritage, and actively participate in renewing history with intentions. Repair of the Black Family Anthology, From Sweet Nothings to Sweet Everythings. So I got tired of just making lemonade with lemons, y'all. So I'm like, we gotta do something else different with these lemons. So that title is called From Sweet Nothings to Sweet Everything. This was an explosion of my childhood awareness of emotion suppression and the generational cycles of silence that keeps families disconnected from healing. As a child, I possessed a natural intention, the ability to see unspoken pain of adults all around me, yet in a world where children were expected to be seen and not heard. I learned early that words muttered, not just those spoken to others. I learned early that how many wasn't speaking of their heart. But in this chapter is a testament to breaking free from inherited wounds, reclaiming one's voice, and allowing you to take space by acknowledging the truth. Queens of Anthology. I was Queen of Joy. I mean, what else was I supposed to? So I gotta be Queen of Joy. Queen of Joy. Sierra explores the reclaiming happiness. Sierra explores the journey of reclaiming happiness on her own terms. As a child, I felt powerless of my expressions and my experiences, believing that happiness was something to be chased rather than cultivated from within. I believed I was conditioned to seek fulfillment through external validations, making me a puppet to societal expectations and my parents' fears and my community disabilities. After years of searching, I realized that happiness is temporary, but joy is something unspeakable. It's a state of being. It's your intentional decision. In this chapter, it serves as a reminder that joy is not given. It is claimed, it is nurtured, and it is deeply rooted in self-awareness. Embracing imperfections was the challenge of false pursuits of perfection. This invites readers to recognize struggles as an essential ingredient to personal growth. I redefine hardships as an opportunity rather than just an obstacle, providing that true power lies in the willingness to embrace one's flaws. I weave together personal stories and lessons that show how imperfections make us more complete, not less. This book encourages readers to shift their perspectives, move beyond self-judgment, and step into the unique brilliance of unapologetic.
Amen. Woo! Say it again.
Superlative Woman is titled Reflections of Her. And I just want to say my mom's in the room. Maybe I get to a little bit that late, but that's a very big thing. Reflections of Her. Sierra, I unpack the power of self-awareness and the importance of honoring one's truth. This chapter is deeply personal, examining of my identity. I grapple with the narrative imposed upon